Yeah, organized boys are, yeah, and you may say, Chama to me, or man, you need now, and then the best BBC. Yes, sir, and let my organized boys are, and your Boku boys, Bolga boys, and now Kusasi boys are your behind them.
Or didn't want Gemini there, Coca-Cola. Like, or didn't want Gemini, mini Coca-Cola, or kind of one, like when he shake himself out. The whole Ghana police and Ghana army, then everybody go sleep.
Yes, yeah, me can say I am passing me boys are. Maybe Baba Hunter, many boys will be here. But as I before the buy, and I'm at the way I push the phone, a year enough for the banner.
Where them boys? Can't and feed him, boys.
But you see, Damomani, he's asking for forgiveness and another apology. But I feel like Opero apologize on come back and on catch them red t-shirt.
Yeah, same t-shirt.
You should put on the same cap.
Same cap.
And render the apology to us, then we will decide whether to accept it or not.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
All right, able to afford from VJ Parkour Rich. I had him here Parkour Rich Studios now. I has a Zosigani Bian, Zayabon Bian, you better try it. We go talk about him. But I don't know what's in here for Wamba and I'm a bro who for Wamba. They've got to do with a son. Like you go see say trouble they go. You know, hanging about. Only way the trouble. Hi, trouble. Come with me. Let's have fun. Well, I'm not here alone. I'm doing this with my brother PKB.
Yeah, man. PKB original.
Yes, PKB.
Yeah, man.
I'm sure you know the man that I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know the man.
But let's watch his first video. Man, sama okay tre or ye Ghana police in a Eoco service. Let's watch it.
Yeah, organized boys are, yeah, and you may say, Chama to me, or man, you need now, and then the best BBC. Yes, sir, and let my organized boys are, and your Boku boys, Bolga boys, and now Kusasi boys are your behind them. Because of, I didn't know woman, you know, who said, I have a baby from Subia. And this is a party. Now, was said the whole Ghana at Tianka at the next day about 4 o'clock, they paid for back. That's a woman he Chama to me, and the Haba also appointed for your home. A tour and from yeah, notness, Yaban, fool them. Say you're two of the other forget it, I think I am forget it. You better I'm who sees and Mama and Abanadi, and it's a woman, woman be any woman. That the only idea I get to be, am I? You can't want woman better and a post for the better. Son of us, who said, and they are back. You're from I didn't watch man.
All right, PKB.
Yeah.
Or didn't want Agyeman no kese CCI there. Or didn't want Agyeman I there Coca-Cola. Like or didn't want Agyeman mini Coca-Cola or kind of one like when he shake himself out. The whole Ghana police and Ghana army then everybody go sleep because you know they fear gun. You know they fear knife. But I don't know. A few moments later, this same Odenho Agyeman came up with this response. After that, where we go cook him. I say, me man, Odenho Agyeman reckon.
Me da. My phone na Ghana phone na me chill biya. Say me friend me Odenho Agyeman. Ampa. Say into this. Chama to me a chain no. Ye ko. Emma the can send me get interview na me get no yes bia me can say I am pass me boys are me di baba hand there bi many boys will be bia but say before the buy no and am the way I push the phone na before the buy na me can bi say the be ya wo be jaye and me the can ye enti no mesre Ghana for much stre man peni masre the ministers stre peni for Ghana peni for nyina say Aso me ka ye no mesrew mo mbudu dwi e po ma cho se enye sa ne mpese me kire me ni boys bi o ba bia me ankasa me na makonya boys se me de ba handle bi me ni bia asem tum kwa o man peni ne betima bo ame na o man peni na se betima ka se me for boys a me ko ma for asem tum a police for ne be bo ame na SDH for na mo o man mu ne be bo ame enti nkwala me ni obi a me ko fa na free baby ba ese bufuo ba ye no kasa bi ba ya antwe me am wo se don e we me kan ye no e bufuo nti me kasa man kasa yi nti me gina akonya wo so mapa o mampeni a chew apa Ghana fo nyina chew apa minister apa a police for national security empedifo nyina me pa mi na chew sa some me kan ye no o mo ba ne me o makola ne me o mi bia ne o fa che me na ebi ntua so bio na sa me san ko ye bio mu a na say bopa na me ye enti na me baba pacho me pa Ghana fo acho apa mampeni apa national security a police for a soldier for ya amamo pedifo nyina me ko bi acho say sama me kan ye no bi si bio na me kasa bio na wo fa che me wo ba na me sa oba eni gu na so a ye papa ye ntwa mesre so wo fa che oba na ebi si bio se bisa si we na say bopa ye enti mesre ma wo fa che me enti me baba pa Ghana fo no mampeni ni pedifo nyina acho enu ntina ene me wa me fa konwa ososo na makase say abufuo ba
forgetting PKB.
Yeah, man.
We there here where chairman talks say he get boys. He get Nottingham boys. He get Kusasi boys. He get Boku boys.
Boga boys.
But this same man they tell us say only boys be where them boys they?
Where them boys? Count and feed him boys.
But you see, Damomani is asking for forgiveness and another apology. But I feel like Opedo apologize on come back and on catch them red t-shirt.
Yeah, same t-shirt.
You should put on the same cap.
Same cap.
And render the apology to us, then we will decide whether to accept it or not. You, like your height safe me we are tall past you. You want to threaten the peace where Ghana we get. That away. You destabilize the peace in Ghana if they don't release Chairman to me for you. Yo!
If they Ghana no I'm out.
And in him, there's something. This man I learned Otoni Chichingo.
Yeah, almost La Paz.
La Paz rather. Now one kesa ejawu kebab ho. You poor man oh.
The kebabs be the power
I tell you. Ejawu kebab what there. Everybody fight for a rich man. Now rich man no lawyer mpo we melo. Appear could be sister soft voice.
Soft voice oh.
Then you or didn't want the man. Are they shock self? Have you seen the son and daughters of Dr. Agyeman to me at Eoco? But in here for one kokoti. What do you stand to gain? Nemi, I tell you, I am a brother and I'm who died. I'm
you disown you.
I say, watch your wa, but that would be no home. You go sleep by your shed, man. Because I got no time for this bullshit.
No.
I'm not gonna fight for any rich man's
No.
problem.
No.
If rich man gets in problem, make his solving problem. Not be me on your fubi back. Now you the beg. You right now, if then catch yourself, to get a lawyer from KJTR TV series self in your B. To just get a common lawyer from TV skit self, you know, we'll get some.
KJTR is Makola.
Yeah, he did the Rants.
He go hire a lawyer in team.
Say he get a Kusasi boys. And a PKB, you've been interested thing about this whole thing. The naughtiness way he mentioned the my name say be not now. The way that they give one for comment section.
I go read the comment section. They say they know no more. Now notness they know they like that.
They say always you people want to do your foolish things and then you go and mention we are notness. But we know that nothing people are very peaceful people. Then you come the talk say you get kusas, you go bring the boys.
You for bring the boys.
The boys. We won't see the boys.
They for catch himself.
Now you dey see na see so. Boys ya buy your issue. Abodam. Odenho. Ezana baba. The boy see that's
What the
raising
weapons
dream.
in there? What the weapons in there?
Others, and you see sometimes you see the funny things these guys they think. They feel like those hunters gun or yeah, what you shoot one. That's everything. Correction, no one for bullets being raw woman. What bullets be your friend RIP. When that bullet enter you, you can see say the juju ran left you. You did that. And one person did a shock me be coca safe.
Big man, coca in my time, yeah.
Coca me who adza wa promising. Me who Basha was a coca. Coca you creatives. Uncle White, highly spiritual.
Oh.
Coca show me your way to man.
Coca can inspire me for Hate FM. The way you read the news, it's nice, it's good. You know, like I just see Coca like yo, but friends there. What Coca do? Oh, Charlie.
Coca. Se Coca wakaja ile draw. Se Coca akaji go bill. Se Coca akaji bazo. Chichina bibia Coca akaji na yim. I say Coca. Damn politicians here. So who chwe? About difference.
I don't want to talk in matter because
you understand. You see, my memo feel ano. Yeah, war. It be no more. They've been in politics.
Then they in politics for like a while now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now politics and Ghana politics now when you come into the political space where you are allowed, they talk a lot of they will easily give you some position and that. So probably maybe cook out pedal for them level.
Yeah, and I think it's the easiest one because you first level na sewaku school account.
Yeah.
Then you stand an opportunity when the party comes into power.
As I say. But still, Coca, we believe Coca will be one of our own.
Charlie.
Coca were creatives. Shall we creatives one now the total my creatives.
Sikeni ho.
You understand? It be like the campaign time and on anyone.
Charlie.
Like a crafting in same.
Boss, what your man go see?
Crafting in same. No one that know. Oh yeah, no one no can jina politics in the year. You go chop more about Coca. That will go free. One way are true.
Use and dump.
One yeah, very true. Share yay Coca.
Very soon I go join Coca cause
yo.
So say
Coca, share yo. The Mobian I can get him na you police.
Charlie only di Jamano.
Coca that could police be back when your mama moja the when you do. Mo be yan there. Wo ba kokota ba wo bo wie na. We pro, we be pro. Papa. We they advise you. Coca, shall we na? Now your markets and a PR na when your man crebo whites na. Ja politicians see which. I sometimes move in video and even there.
Uncle
Bono to the media.
Say your broadcast view.
Atasa.
Slow down kakra.
Coca need to the media. What shall I rob on what they shall? Why I know they like that? Coca. Koka. Coca sisa wusuba no. Na ode show day share yo. Well, what's a word to a wise?
So always in the north.
Here you was out here train.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.